Hi again, everyone. Ayan. So, eto yung mga nasa door namin kanina. Thank you so much to the kind giver and donor. Ayan, diaper po siya. So, I saw this one. I don't know what is this inside here. So, ayan, titignan natin siya. Come here, kuya! Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
And now, we will open, unboxing the Amazon box. Yalla, now open. What could it be? What do you think is that?
I don't know.
Oops.
So hard.
Oops, enough.
Okay, now let's open this.
Oops, careful. What is inside?
So heavy.
Check one by one.
What?
Remove the back. Remove. Oh, it's milk. Wow.
I got the milk.
I got the milk. Show me the milk. Show them the milk. Oh, and there's another one, I think. One milk.
I think there's two.
Another milk.
Put it up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, remove this one.
Oh, remove this one.
Now. Did you just saw that?
Really? We just saw that? Oh, another milk.
Yeah, another milk. Put it right here. There's three. Another milk. Right here.
Wow. How many milk we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. So we have 4 cans of, what is this? It's
Milk.
26 stage 1, 900 grams. So that's, oh, amazing.
Yeah.
So say thank you to the giver who gave this one to us.
Thank you, giver.
God bless you
God bless you
and your family.
and your family.
What are you doing?
Looking at the tower.
It's a tower of milk. Slipping. Because down, it's falling down. It's not balanced. Balance it properly. Wow. So I would like to inform everybody this is arrange it again. This is not sponsored to anyone. I mean from anybody, not from Is26, not from Amazon. So
I'll just make something.
okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe, everybody.
Thank you,
Everyone
everyone,
for watching.
for watching.
What the door?
This door.
Your feet is a door.
Can I touch it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I touch it?
No, it will fall down in your feet. It's up to you.
It's not.
Today we receive
We'll see
another Amazon.
another Amazon.
Yalla, check what's inside. Come.
Let's check. Mommy, I got your favorite.
Oh my god!
This is your favorite one.
Really?
Yeah, but there's one more bag. I think I can hear another. Oh, I think I have another one for you.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Whoa! I just opened.
No
some.
problem.
Let's see what's in here. Wow! Look at these ones. Mommy, look at this one. It's just like round, right?
Mm.
Let's this and open it.
Open.
Right? Let's see. Whoa! Mommy, look at this. Maybe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What is this in your face? The chocolate?
Yeah.
Say thank you
He said the beach
for the giver.
for the giver.